Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to restore and backup database. Okay, so in other words, you can able to import or export your databases using pgAdmin. So I am currently using pgAdmin 4, so I know it's a bit outdated, but I have to fix some error before I can update my pgAdmin and also my Postgres. Okay, so first we have to locate where is our database. Okay, so this database contains already table and then constraints. So it called DVD rental backup.tar. So this one will be imported inside our database. Okay, so first we have to open your pgAdmin and then click on servers. So after clicking the servers, you have to choose which PostgreSQL you are using. So I am currently using 11. And then you can see your existing databases. Okay, so for now, let's create a new. So create and then database. So I'll be calling this one DVD rental. And then let's click save. So let's just wait for seconds because it is creating our database. So if we are able now to create our database, we will be importing this one. Okay, so we have here the database rental, the DVD rental. Okay, so that one will be the database wherein we are going to put in this DVD rental backup.tar. Okay, so click on DVD rental. So let's check the schema of our DVD rental. So let's check what tables it has. Okay, so it's having no tables at the moment. Okay, so then we are going to import DVD rentals. Okay, so to import this one, all we have to do is to locate its location. Get the location. So simply we can use some properties and then get this address or the location. So let us just copy this one, and then we are also going to use the name of our file. Okay, so it says error. Okay, so later on we will be copying that. Okay, so let's click on the database that we have created a while ago, and then let's click right click and click on restore. Okay, so leave it the format, leave it by default, and then we have to say file name, but we are pasting the not that one. We are going to paste the location, properties, and then the location. Never forget the file name. Okay, so the file name is dvd rental backup.tar. So simply copy that one and paste. Okay, so this one contains the location and also the name of your file. So let leave this blank and then click on restore button. So let's wait. So restore job created, as you can see, and it is still running. So therefore, uh, it's still importing our database. Okay, so it's successfully completed. So let us see the details of that one. Okay, so let's click more details. Okay, so as you can see, this running commands is equivalent to what we have did a while ago. Okay, so this one are the commands if you want to use it or to restore using your uh, shell. Okay, so let us close this one and then let us check if there are already tables. No tables yet because we have to refresh first our database. So let's click on refresh and then check on the tables. All right. So we have these tables already imported in our database. Now the next problem that we want to know is that how are we going to export this one? Okay, so to export or to back up your database, so this is very useful in case that you want to share your database with your classmates or friends during activities or we just want to have a backup. Okay, so you right click on the database that you want to back up and then click on backup. Okay, so just leave it custom. Now, and then we will have this file name. So maybe we can try to have the same directory with this one. Let us try this one if it will work. So location and then the name that we want. Okay, so the name that we want is DVD rental, DVD rental 2 dot tar. Okay, so I specified that I want it to be the tar and then I just leave it custom. Okay, so let's click on backup. Backup job created, as you can see. Okay, so it's already running and successfully completed. So let's see more details. So more details. So we have here the corresponding equivalent command if we are using the shell instead of pgAdmin. Okay, so all you have to see is to look is the location. Okay, so it is saved at user acer and then document and sample. So which is the location that we have specified. So let us see if it's it already it is really saved in our file. Okay, so let's see. So we have here DVD rental 2.tar. Okay, so you have successfully back up your database and you can restore that one anytime, okay, using your pgAdmin or the shell. So I think that's all for this video and I hope that you have learned something. Okay, so see you on the next videos.